Cars are getting smarter, and so are the gadgets that make driving safer, easier, and way more fun. In 2026, there's no shortage of cool car accessories that promise to upgrade your ride, whether it's innovative tech from Amazon or groundbreaking inventions on Kickstarter. From smart chargers and dashcams to emergency tools and life-saving devices, these gadgets are designed to make every drive smoother, safer, and a little more exciting. In this video, we're counting down 30 of the coolest car gadgets you can get right now to take your car game to the next level. ODII Car Gadget. The ODII Ultimate Grab-It Gadget is one of those little tools you don't think you need until you actually drop your keys or phone into a weird, unreachable corner of your car. It combines a 19-inch flexible claw, telescopic magnet, and LED flashlight, so you can scoop up objects with surprising ease. Perfect for glove compartments and tight spaces. It's lightweight, affordable, around $25 to $30, and compact enough to stash in your glove box. Uniliner UL-300 CE. The Uniliner UL-300 CE is a heavy-duty frame straightening bench designed for collision repair and bodywork, ideal if you're serious about professional automotive fixes. It features a robust 3,000 kilogram lifting capacity, 60 kilonewton pull force, and a wide height range for versatile use, with hydraulic controls that make alignment tasks smoother. CE certified and built for garage environments, it typically sells around $4,000 to $4,400 US, offering strong value for its capabilities. HUDWAY Glass. The HUDWAY Glass turns your smartphone into a simple but handy head-up display, letting you see navigation, speed, and directions reflected right in your line of sight. Ideal for safer driving without glancing down at your phone. It's lightweight, universal, and comes with adjustable dashboard mounts that fit most cars. Specs include a fold-down reflective lens and compact dimensions that sit easily on your dash. You can typically grab it for around $49 to $55 US. Aligoo Boost. The Aligoo Boost is a rugged, all-in-one jump starter and power bank that gives serious peace of mind on the road. With up to 4,000 ampere peak power and a 24,000 milliampere hour battery, it can jumpstart engines up to 10-liter gas or 8-liter diesel, and even charge phones or laptops with its 100-watt PD and USB-C ports. Weather-resistant and packed with LED light modes, it's usually backed early on Kickstarter from about $79 US, a smart safety upgrade for any driver. Raksha SafeDrive. The Raksha SafeDrive is a smart road safety IoT gadget originally funded on Kickstarter that brings crash detection and emergency alerts right into your car. Mounted on your dashboard, it uses GPS tracking and built-in sensors to detect collisions and instantly notify emergency services, family, or friends, helping you get help faster when it matters most. Typically priced around $75 with subscription options afterward, it's a thoughtful safety upgrade for daily drivers and long trips. THINKDRIVER. The THINKDRIVER is a compact Bluetooth OBDII diagnostic tool that turns your phone into a powerful car health scanner. Just plug it into your vehicle's OBDII port and connect via Bluetooth to read and clear engine codes, check ABS/airbag systems, view live sensor data, and even access maintenance reset services, all from your iOS or Android device. It supports full system diagnostics on most cars made since 1996 and typically ranges around $40 to $70 US depending on retailer. FarReach A1. The FarReach A1 is a clever all-in-one roadside rescue gadget that combines a powerful 20,000 mAh power bank, 2,000 jump starter, and fast tire inflator with digital real-time pressure display, making flat tires and dead batteries less stressful. It also has a bright multi-mode LED light and safety protections you can rely on in emergencies. Often backed on Kickstarter with early bird pricing that beats regular retail, it's a compact, versatile tool every driver should consider. Cutterz Vehicle Escape Tool. The Cutterz Vehicle Escape Tool is a compact, life-saving gadget every driver should have in their car emergency kit. It combines a surgical-grade steel seatbelt cutter with a spring-loaded tungsten window breaker, making it easy to escape a stuck seatbelt or shattered side glass in critical situations. You can mount it on your visor, keep it on your keychain, or stick it on metal surfaces with the included magnet. Usually priced around $25 to $30 US, it's affordable peace of mind for every road trip. Trapom, Ultimate 3-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner. The Trapom, Ultimate 3-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner, is a versatile car and outdoor gadget that combines a powerful 17,000 PA suction vacuum, air pump, and blower in one compact tool. Perfect for keeping your ride clean and tackling quick inflations or debris around your home or campsite. With a high-speed brushless motor, 88,000 RPM, and cordless convenience, it's designed for busy drivers who want multifunctional performance. Originally funded on Kickstarter with crowd support and early bird pricing that beat retail, it's an all-in-one essential for 2026 road trips and everyday cleanups. ZipGripGo, Emergency Traction Aid for Snow. The ZipGripGo is a simple yet smart emergency traction aid that helps you get unstuck from snow, ice, mud, or slippery terrain without heavy chains or tools. It uses cleated nylon traction straps you wrap around your tire to add temporary grip, fitting most passenger tires and installing in minutes, ideal for winter drives and unexpected road conditions. It's lightweight, trunk-ready, and often available around $30 to $50 US, depending on retailer. iLIKE Ice Car Cushion. The iLIKE Ice Car Cushion is a cool summer-ready seat pad designed to keep you comfortable on hot drives by circulating chilled air through a smart water cycle cooling system. It's basically a mini personal air seat for your car. Built for universal fit and backed on Kickstarter with solid support, it promises fast cooling down to a pleasant seat temperature in seconds and quieter operation thanks to a brushless pump. Perfect for long summer trips and daily commutes. It's an upgrade worth checking out. Parshade. The Parshade is a clever semi-automatic windshield sunshade designed to make parking in blazing heat a breeze. Literally. It features a retractable tension bar and magnetic latch system that lets you quickly pull it up to block sun and UV rays, helping protect your dashboard and keep the interior cooler. Installation and removal are tool-free and intuitive, fitting a wide range of vehicle sizes. Early Kickstarter backers could pledge roughly $25 to $60 US depending on rewards and shipping. It's a practical upgrade if you hate baking in a hot car. Marvo, the latest solar phone mount. The Marvo solar phone mount is an innovative in-car phone holder that uses a built-in solar panel to power its semi-automatic sensor switch, meaning it can stay ready without plugging into your dashboard power, ideal for sunny drives and hands-free navigation. It's built with a tech metallic design and adjustable clip that fits most cars and phones 4.7 inches to 7 inches, with added Type-C charging backup if needed. Early Kickstarter backers saw pricing around $59 US, making it a smart blend of ecotech and everyday convenience. Moki Securely Share Car Keys. The Moki digital car key system turns your traditional car key into a secure, app-driven access tool, letting you unlock, lock, and share digital keys without handing over a physical fob. Just pair your key with the device and use your phone for auto access mode, remote control, and shared permissions. Perfect for family cars or ride sharing. Compatible with over 100 key models and backed on Kickstarter with strong early support, it's an easy step toward a keyless future. 4-in-1 Smart Car Mount. The 4-in-1 Smart Car Mount is a versatile phone mounting solution that combines phone support, adjustable viewing angles, multiple mounting options, vent, dash, suction, and often wireless charging capabilities into one handy kit. Perfect for hands-free navigation, calls, and music control on the road. Designed to fit a wide range of phones securely and rotate for portrait or landscape viewing, it typically sits around $40 to $60 US, depending on features and retailer. Rubbit's Car Wash in a Can. The Rubbit's Car Wash in a Can is a game changer for quick, water-free car cleaning. Just shake, spray, and wipe for a showroom shine finish in minutes. No hose or rinsing needed. Its advanced foam lifts dirt and grime safely, making it ideal for urban drives and weekend road trips alike. Each can deliver 2 to 3 full exterior washes and touch-ups, and pre-orders often go for around $44 to $65 depending on pack size. Dome. The cover you'll actually use. The dome. The cover you'll actually use is a fresh take on the traditional car cover, designed to deploy and collapse with one hand, making protection effortless whether it's dust, rain, or sun glare you're guarding against. It's lightweight, quick to set up, and built for everyday use without wrestling with bulky fabric. Early Kickstarter backers have been pledging to secure their units, with backing tiers typically starting in the $50 to $100 range before retail pricing. Sentrixy Smart Car Charger. The Sentrixy Smart Car Charger isn't just another plug-in charger. It combines fast 80-watt power delivery, dynamic power balancing, and dual network real-time location tracking, so you stay charged and connected on the road. Built-in backup power keeps it working even offline, making it ideal for long trips or daily commuting. Early Kickstarter pledges have been around $40 to $60, offering great value for a charger that doubles as a tracking and safety tool. Fidget Moire. The Fidget Moire is a fun little 3-in-1 car accessory that doubles as a visual fidget toy, aromatherapy diffuser, and vent-mounted gadget to help make drives more relaxing. It uses a clever barrier grid animation disc that spins in your car's airflow, creating hypnotic patterns while releasing calming scents from replaceable aromatherapy pads. Mechanically built with smooth rotation and easy vent clip attachment, it was backed on Kickstarter with base perks around $30. 3-in-1 Adapter Otox. The 3-in-1 Adapter Otox aims to level up your car's connectivity by combining Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and OEM-style wireless integration into a single plug-and-play unit. Perfect for turning a wired infotainment system into a more seamless wireless experience. It's designed for effortless setup with minimal cables, giving you fast wireless phone mirroring and connection without constant plugging. Early crowdfunding buzz suggests accessible pricing compared to premium tech adapters, making it a worthy add-on for 2026 rides. Dashcam Omni. The Dashcam Omni by 70mi is a standout smart dash camera thanks to its 360-degree rotating swivel lens that captures every angle around your car, eliminating blind spots and delivering comprehensive footage day and night. It offers 1080p to 4K recording, AI motion and collision detection, GPS tracking, and handy voice control for hands-free use. Advanced models even include 4G connectivity for remote monitoring and real-time alerts. Pricing typically ranges from about $140 to $200+ depending on storage and features. Its mix of cutting-edge tech and all-round safety focus makes it a compelling choice for 2026 road-aware drivers. KALOS Pad. The KALOS Pad is a next-generation dash upgrade that turns any older car into a smart digital hub without complex installation. It combines wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4K LED display with anti-glare adaptive brightness, plus a 4K front dash cam and 1080p rear camera for safety footage, all controlled by gesture and voice commands. Backers on Kickstarter have seen early support, around €128 for this all-in-one system. Keto Smart Car Key. The Keto Smart Car Key turns your smartphone into your vehicle's digital key, blending convenience and security without the need to fumble for a traditional fob. It pairs with your phone via Bluetooth, and inaudible sound wave authentication lets you unlock, start, and share access with friends or family, and only activates when your authenticated mobile key is detected inside the car. Early Kickstarter pledges were around $99, making it a smart step toward phone-first car access and key sharing. Yakima SkyBox NX 18. The Yakima SkyBox NX 18 is a premium rooftop cargo box built for road trips, camping seasons, and extra gear days when your car just isn't big enough. It offers 18 cubic feet of cargo space, a flat bottom interior with tie-down points, and dual-side opening for easy access from either side of your vehicle. Its universal mount hardware fits most crossbars, and secure SKS locks keep your gear safe. Weighing around 53 pounds, it's rugged yet versatile, with pricing typically around $799 to $848. OHLPRO Tablet Mount. The OHLPRO Tablet Mount is a versatile car accessory that turns your dashboard or windshield into a hands-free tablet station. Perfect for navigation, streaming, movies, and road trips without fumbling with your device. It features a strong suction cup or sticky pad base, an adjustable arm with 360 degrees rotation, and a clamp that fits tablets and large phones from about 5 inches up to 13 inches securely. Built for everyday use in cars, trucks, and SUVs, it's typically priced around $17 on Amazon, offering a budget-friendly way to boost comfort and convenience on the road. TrapTap. The TrapTap is a compact wireless speed trap indicator that quietly sits on your dash and helps you stay aware of speed traps, red light cameras, and school zones while you drive, all without acting as a radar detector. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone, uses GPS and crowdsourced data to flash alerts in different colors, and runs on a long-life replaceable battery. Early Kickstarter backers could pre-order it around $109, offering a simple yet smart way to avoid tickets and drive more safely. Rubber Parking Curb. The rubber parking curb is a simple yet effective accessory that helps you park perfectly every time by acting as a buffer between your vehicle and walls, bumpers, or garage floors. Made from heavy-duty recycled rubber with high-visibility yellow reflective stripes, it resists weather, oil, UV rays, and cracking over time, making it suitable for driveways and indoor garages alike. Typical versions like this range roughly $30 to $90 depending on length and style. It's an affordable way to protect your paint and avoid parking scrapes. HOTOR Trunk Organizer. The HOTOR Trunk Organizer is a versatile and sturdy storage solution that turns any messy car trunk into a neatly organized space. It features multiple compartments and mesh pockets for groceries, tools, emergency gear, or sports equipment, and is made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching that supports over 60 pounds of load. The collapsible design lets you fold it flat when not in use, saving space. Pricing typically ranges around $25 to $30 on Amazon, a budget-friendly upgrade for everyday drivers. CarHook's Universal Car. The CarHook's Universal Car accessory is a simple but incredibly useful way to keep your vehicle organized by turning unused headrest rods into storage hangers for bags, purses, groceries, coats, umbrellas, toys, and more. No tools required. These universal headrest hooks are designed to fit most cars and SUVs and help keep the floor clutter-free. Made from sturdy plastic or metal and easy to install and remove, similar sets on Amazon usually cost anywhere from roughly $10 depending on pack size and material quality. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool is a smart Bluetooth diagnostic gadget that turns your phone or tablet into a powerful car scanner, letting you read and clear check engine, ABS, SRS, TPMS, and other system codes with ease using the free app. It also provides vehicle-specific repair reports and live data monitoring like a pro tool, yet works with cars from 1996 onward and has no subscription fees. Typical prices range around $80 depending on sales, making it a great investment for DIY car owners who want deeper insight into their vehicle's health.